can you and can't you use the shoulder of the road to pass a car? It's the subject of this week's Good Question. I was asked whether it's legal to use the side of the road to go around a car. The answer, yes and no. Depends really on the situation. Here's the deal. Motorcyclist Greg Roth was recently hit in Penfield.
I was headed west and a vehicle was heading east.
He being the driver of the car that hit him. Here's what happened. That driver used the shoulder of the road to pass another car that was turning left, striking Greg in the middle of the intersection. He was not ticketed.
He was not ticketed.
According to the law, he should have been.
You're not allowed to pass vehicles to get to an intersection.
But according to Gates police officer Michael Ludolph, you can use the shoulder to pass a car when you're not approaching an intersection.
You are allowed to overtake a vehicle if they are in the process or about to signal a left turn. So if you come up to a vehicle and you know they're making a left turn into a business, you are allowed to pass. Provided,
again, it's a straight road and there's no intersection ahead. If you do use the shoulder, under the law, it can only be used to bypass one vehicle.
The shoulder is not meant for a lane of traffic, so if there is a line of cars and you're trying to get to an intersection, you are not allowed to drive on that shoulder.
Gregory doesn't think enough people know this.
The awareness isn't out there, and I think it should be addressed because it's done every day.
Including, he says, the officers that handled his accident investigation.
They should do a little bit more cracking down on it to make people aware of it because, like I said, everybody does it.
In the cases when it is legal to use the shoulder, again, not at an intersection and only to go around one car max, you must use your blinkers and get back into your lane as quickly as possible. Again, under the law, the shoulder is not meant to be used as another lane. If you have a question you'd like me to answer, send me an email, goodquestion@whec.com.